What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid foundation. It's gonna be my first time trying it with you guys. It looks so nice. I know you guys probably seen a lot of reviews already on this foundation, but I wanted to review it myself and see how I like it. So this foundation is 1 fluid ounce. It costs $38 on the website. I got mine at Ulta. I'm just going to read the claims that this foundation has. The Anastasia Beverly Hills is a luminous foundation, water-resistant liquid foundation that creates luminous natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long-wearing, medium coverage, yet it still feels weightless and extra fresh. This is the coverage you have been waiting for. Luminous foundation looks great on its own. There's no need to set it with powder. Available in 50 shades. Lightweight foundation blurs any imperfection, including discoloration and unevenness, without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. Okay, so there's a ton of shades in this foundation, which is amazing. When I got mine, I was looking, but it was so hard because to me, I feel like I'm an olive undertone, and then sometimes I feel like I'm a yellow undertone. So it was like really hard to find my perfect match. I don't know if this is going to match me. I hope it is. But this is 335W, so 335W. It is vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, all of that kind of good stuff. So we're just gonna apply it as usual. I'm going to use my baby skin pore eraser. So I'm just going to do what I'm used to. So usually I wouldn't go for a luminous foundation because I am more of an oily person, but as of lately during this pregnancy, I have became very dry. Like, my skin is so dry. It's, oh my gosh, I'm like, I complained about having oily skin, but now I'm like so over having dry skin. I have to moisturize my face like 3 times a day because of how dry it is, and if I don't, my face feels like really tight. And then I'm gonna go in with my oil-free mattifying gel by First Aid Beauty, and just gonna take a little bit of that and then just apply it everywhere. So right now it is really late. It's like 5 in the evening, and I wanted to do this earlier, but I was cleaning and all that stuff. So here we are. I'm just going to use this color correcting concealer by LA Girl to conceal my dark circles. I've been having them so bad lately. So I just like to use a little bit of that right underneath the eyes. Now that all of that is done, I'm just going to shake up this foundation like I always do. I shake up every single foundation that I use just to mix the product around. Oh, by the way, you guys, I did dye my hair. I wanted to lighten it just a little bit, and then that went bad. So yeah, okay. So I love that this foundation does have a pump. You know what, I'm just going to apply it straight to my face. I'm just going to use 1 pump on each side, well, kind of like a half a pump. And like always, take my Wet n Wild sponge. The shade is really nice. I feel like I did a good job on picking my shade. Okay, and then I'm just going to do a little pump up here. Okay, first impression. It is very luminous. You can see the shine on my face, and it does not feel like I have anything on my face. Like, honestly, oh my gosh, wow, this foundation is so nice. The shade is perfect for my skin, but I do feel like I could use a full pump on each side because I am a full coverage person. I just added another half a pump on each side. Oh my god, it's so luminous, it's so pretty. Honestly, you guys, you can build it up and it doesn't even feel heavy. I mean, I know it's my first impression, but Jesus, like, it's so nice. I'm actually gonna go take Aiden to the little park right here, so we'll see how it wears, because it does stay really hot over here in North Carolina, even in the nighttime. So my first impression, you have this luminous glow. You guys, this is so insane. Like, look at how nice it looks. And the second layer did do a good job on covering more. It doesn't feel like I have anything on, honestly. I know that's kind of over exaggerating, but like, it doesn't feel like I have anything. Like, it feels so good on the skin. Let me do the rest of my face. So I'm using this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 18. Want to see how this concealer and this foundation hold together. This foundation says that you don't have to set it, but if I don't set it, my face will move. So like always, I'm just going to use the Fit Me powder in the shade Fair 10. You guys, can you see that this is still luminous? And I set my face and everything, and it's still looking like really healthy. Like, it doesn't feel like heavy at all. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish the rest off camera and I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts on how everything is. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry for the shine from the blinds. They're closed. The ones in front of me are open, but these ones are closed, and the sun is still coming through. I hope it's not bothering anyone. Let me see. I'm holding my mirror up so that I can get a better... Oh my gosh, this foundation is so nice. You guys, look at this. Okay, so my thoughts on this foundation. It's amazing. It literally doesn't feel like you have anything on. You can build it up to full coverage, as you guys saw, and then it wears with everything really, really nicely that I usually use. I have like no negative thoughts right now on this foundation as of right now. I'm going to do a wear test. So it is right now 5:30 p.m. and I'm going to do a little wear test. I know it's probably going to be really late when I come back and tell you guys my final thoughts, but as of right now, I really love this foundation and how it's looking. It looks really luminous and very, very healthy. I actually really like it. Like, who is she? I'm just kidding. I do want to do a flash test and then a natural lighting test, but like I said, I am going to do a wear test. It's probably going to be like 11, 12 when I do come back, so that way I could actually kind of give it a while to settle in and everything. And I'm also going to cook dinner and, like I said, probably take Aiden on a walk to the park. And yeah, I'll let you guys know my final thoughts when I come back. Okay you guys, so this is natural lighting. I'm blown away by this foundation, honestly. I'm back and I'm better. I'm just kidding. So I'm back and it is currently 12:06 a.m. Okay, so my final thoughts of this foundation. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put the beginning clip compared to right now. To examine this really quickly. So I have a couple of complaints. I did notice, but I didn't mention earlier, that it was already creasing right here, and I do have smile lines, so that because you guys know, like I said, I was talking about in my last video that I don't really get smile lines with the foundations that I use right now, and I really hate it when I do get smile lines. So I mean, it's not as bad as the Fenty Beauty one, so you could kind of see like right here, and then right here it was like already separating when I first started. And then I don't know, might just be the concealer today, or maybe the combination of both, but I'm getting like I have really bad creases right there under my eyes. Another thing, it did kind of oxidize on me over time, just a little bit. I did notice that it got a little bit orangey, and you probably can't tell like on camera, but I noticed that it got a little bit orangey, and I didn't know that it might oxidize or anything. It's kind of like the Fenty Beauty foundation, because that one also oxidizes. And I mean, I don't really mind about that, but just something to mention. The feeling of it still feels really lightweight. So I did start around 5, I believe, and that's like 7 hours, 7.5 hours, and for that long, it lasted pretty well. So I did go out to the park with Aiden, and I also did laundry, and I cleaned the house and all of that kind of stuff. I didn't cook dinner, but it was really humid today, so it did hold up with all of that stuff. And I think this foundation is a really good foundation. If you're looking to buy a good foundation, high-end foundation, I would recommend this foundation. I really love this foundation because of how weightless it is on the face and how luminous it is. I'm not sure if really oily people would get away with using this. Maybe if you bake your face or something, then yeah. But other than that, I really would recommend this to you guys, and I might keep using it on like days where I want to look glam or whatever. I am going to do a flashback test right now. Okay, as you guys can see, this foundation does not have flashback at all. It's a really good foundation. I highly recommend this foundation. I can't say it enough. Honestly, Anastasia did do a pretty good job on this foundation. Anastasia, hit me up so I can be on your PR list one day. No. But for real, if you're thinking about getting this foundation, go out and get it. Even if you want to try it, get a sample, or even, you know, pick this up, and then if you don't like it, return it. It doesn't matter. Just try it out, and if you like it, then hey, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if you guys enjoy this review. I want to do more reviews on things, so let me know if you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it, or comment down below, and let me know if you do enjoy reviews, so that way I could do more reviews on my channel. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you bitches in my next video.